In the last episode, we rode the west coast from Sihanoukville to Koh Kong, and it was wet and wild in more ways than one. All finished off with a bit of road racing. Sweet. Today we are heading inland to Camus, where we'll be staying in more traditionally styled Cambodian accommodation. And what better way to kick off a new day than by conserving our front tyre rubber. This concrete highway winds its way through a mountain range with spectacular views along the way. Chris Perry gets a little lost and tries to take the old bridge across the river. Then he gets even more confused and can't find the way back. He finally gets it sorted and we push on. Actually, Chris Perry has frequent navigational issues and often couldn't work out how to even cross a shallow river. The locals show him it ain't that hard if you think about it. This will be interesting, guys. This is the start of the Tiger Trail, and we've just had the warning about cobras and what else? I don't know, rabid hippos and I don't know, all sorts of shit. It's going to be interesting. More dangerous than the tigers and snakes is the bamboo. This is regularly cut back in a way that leaves sharp ends exposed. It's lucky we have a trained paramedic. There are no problems for the locals, but a dirt rider spearing off the track could wind up skewered on that bamboo. The Tiger Trail is hot and humid, and we stop when one of the guys overheats from pulling his bike out of mud holes. Now, I don't know if he's paid for this or he's overcooked or...
No, he paid for a special VIP treatment.
Yeah.
In and out of the jungle.
Is there a happy ending? They're queuing up now.
You'll have to book the pay to find out if there's a happy ending.
One more join.
Something a bit odd going on here. We got this. How you doing? We've ridden past so many temples, now we finally get to explore one. As usual, I haven't listened to the rider briefing, so I pop a wheelie on the long driveway. I'm not sure if wheelies are allowed in Buddhism, but I'm sure they would be pretty chilled about it anyway. The fourth largest religion in the world, Buddhism is also one of the most peaceful and has rarely been used to inspire violence and hatred, unlike all the other major religions. This temple also includes a memorial to the various killing methods of the Khmer Rouge, those sick fucks who deliberately murdered a quarter of the Cambodian population in the 1970s. Up to 3 million Cambodians were killed, and many by the most gruesome forms of torture you could imagine. I suspect the peaceful nature of Buddhism has much to do with how far the country has healed itself since those horrors. And the presence of old embattlements is a reminder of Cambodia's war-torn past. I could see the massive respect our tour leaders have for the local people, as wherever we went, they would be striking up conversations with the locals. On to more pleasant topics, it's time to head for our more traditional accommodation for the night. Special rehydration beers are cracked open as our weary troops arrive. This is home sweet home for me. Our amazing support crew prepares to work on our bikes into the night. This is, oh man, Dara's got a messy job. These are some dusty air filters.
Visual.
Visual. Cleans everything.
Yes.
And I retire to my swing with a rehydratatory beer. Good night, Cambodia.